Hi, my name is Brandon Chapman. I'm the founder of SAS Wealth Insurance, Vancouver's leading financial planning firm. In today's video, we're going to dive into the benefits of doing your research when it comes to mortgage insurance. Those of you that have followed me for a while, you probably saw that post that I did about why mortgage insurance is bad. But today we're going to actually get into the nuts and bolts. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like and comment. Let's get into it. Recently, I refinanced my mortgage, and I was really impressed with how smooth the process was from start to finish. However, at the very end, I was told to come into the bank branch to review my insurance options. They didn't know that I knew about insurance, but I was very curious to see what the process would be like. And they made it extremely easy to accept the policy that they put in front of me. So these are actually the three questions I was asked when I applied for or was offered mortgage insurance with my bank. And for someone that's not financially literate, it would be very easy to answer incorrectly to one of these, especially when you're not speaking to someone who's licensed to explain about how insurance underwriting works, and how if you do answer a question somewhat incorrectly, the underwriting at claim time is going to ensure that that claim is denied. And ultimately, someone would be paying for an insurance policy that wouldn't actually pay out and would benefit the bank. Okay, so what I've got here is a creditor insurance report done by my friend Matthew Inglis with Creditor Insurance Watchdogs. And what's really interesting about this is the policy that I could have taken with the bank would have cost me $1,350 per year, when in fact the coverage I actually have in force is $300 per year. It's about 1/4 of the price because I got better quality coverage elsewhere. Not to mention this particular policy with the creditor, Scotiabank, the bank would be the beneficiary of the policy versus the personal insurance policy I have, my wife is the beneficiary. And I could change that beneficiary throughout the policy life if I choose to. Now, the bank didn't show me these options, but an independent broker would. And so the premise of this video is to ensure that everybody ensures they look at their options before they take whatever's put in front of them by the big bad bank. As a certified financial planner, I understand how overwhelming the process of home buying can be and how easy it is to overlook the type of insurance you pick up along the way, especially when you could fall into a trap as the bank, the trusted bank, masks the insurance buying process as simply just part of the home buying process. So the purpose of this video is to say that you should make sure you speak to a trusted independent broker who's informed about mortgage insurance and the options available to you, so that you can ensure you get the policy that's going to best protect your family. In conclusion, I'd like to just summarize by saying that in this video, you should have came across 3 points. One, mortgage insurance is typically more expensive, sometimes as much as 6 times the cost of what a personally owned policy might be. 2, bank creditor insurance policies are underwritten at claim time as opposed to when you apply. It's much better to be asked questions up front before you start paying for something, as opposed to at the end when you're supposed to get paid. And then number 3, the bank, of course, is the beneficiary of creditor insurance policies. So as your mortgage gets paid down, your creditor insurance remains the same price. And then those banks are actually the beneficiary of the policy as opposed to your loved ones, which gives you less flexibility. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to share it with someone who you think would benefit from the information. And ultimately, my goal here is to increase discussions among Canadians about creditor insurance products and essentially let you know that this deceptive practice could have happened to anyone you know and trust. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.